Free English lessons. Teach English with love. Continuous, narrative writing, with a starting phrase. Write a story starting with, "The widow had to work hard to bring up her little son alone." The widow had to work hard to bring up her little son alone. This was after her husband's early death. She and her son lived in a wooden house. It was a small house with only one bedroom and a kitchen. Miriam wanted Sam to study hard to get good result. So she would not let Sam help her do any household chores or wash his own clothes. The years flew by. Sam sat for his SPM examination and passed with flying colors. His mother was very happy. She went round telling her friends, "My Sam will be leaving for the city to study in a college. He will become a manager one day. I'll move to live with him in the city. Then, my struggle is worth it." So Miriam continued to work hard to send money to Sam, who was studying a business degree. For Miriam, it was a tough life. Meanwhile, Sam kept on phoning home to ask for more money. Miriam even had to borrow from her neighbors and friends to send her son the money. 3 years Sam stopped calling home. He did not even let his mother know where he was. When she phoned the faculty, they told her that he had graduated and left for job. However, they could not hear more. Miriam was baffled. Where was Sam? She was so sure he would come back and fetch her for city. So, she started to pack some of her bags and boxes. 3 months later, there was still no news or call from Sam. One day, Miriam's niece, Kate, came to talk to her about Sam. She told her aunt, "Auntie, a friend of mine met Sam in a bank. He's the branch manager. This is his address." Early in the morning, Miriam took the first bus to the city. At the bus station, she took a taxi and showed the taxi driver the bank address. On the way there, she told the driver about Sam and what a filial son he was. The driver stopped his taxi in front of a tall building. She got out of the taxi and smiled at him happily. This was the moment she was going to meet Sam. She imagined him showing surprise and delight at meeting his mother. Inside the building, a security guard asked her who she was looking for. She told the guard Sam's name. The bank staff saw an old lady holding a worn-out handbag. They were wondering, who is this woman? Why is she asking for our manager? Meanwhile, Sam pretended he did not know his mother. Feeling disgusted and ashamed, he asked the security guard to ask her to leave. Miriam was shocked to hear that. She looked Sam in a disappointed feeling and ran out of the bank. Back in her house, Miriam cried the whole night. She cried and cried till she had no more tears. The next morning, she was sitting by the window with Sam's photo on her lap. She saw him walking towards their house. Soon she was shouting and crying, "My Sam is back! My Sam is back!" Sam ran towards her and hugged Miriam as he never let go. He was so sorry and regretted the way he behaved. His colleagues were the one who made him realize his big mistakes, neglected his mother. The neighbors heard her. They too shouted and cheered, feeling happy for her. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.